Well, here's my little workshop that I got going on. I needed a workbench, so I had a little bit of spare lumber floating around, so I built this little contraption. Let's see, it's 2 feet by 8 feet. Built on essentially a 2x6 stud wall type frame. This is how it goes on. It goes together. It's a tight fit. Yeah, I hit it a couple times. You can see this one's already in place. Let it down. Just pull that up. And there you go. It's a little bit off, but it's because this leg didn't seat. But so a little bit of scraps I had laying around the wood shop. This is what I built. Here's it going up one more time. Got my eye bolt. That's the locking mechanism. All right. Lift this up. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Got a hole drilled. Slide that in like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Just take the legs off and see if I can do it one-handed. There you go. There's one. This one's a little tougher. There we go. Just like that. Store it up and out of the way.